Welcome back. Now to the financial week. Energy Minister Darrell Vaz says plans are far ahead to generate another 168 megawatts of renewable energy. This follows successful bids from Wigton Energy Limited and Sonterra Energy Jamaica Limited to supply 100 megawatts of solar energy to the national grid. At a JLP press conference today, Mr. Vaz said the generation procurement entity, GPE, continues to execute its mandate.
The GPE remains steadfast in its mission to expand Jamaica's renewable energy capacity, planning for the next tranche of renewable energy procurement, targeting 168 megawatts, which would be a total of 268 megawatts, which the process is already underway, and the GPE will provide further information in the upcoming months.
In the meantime, Mr. Vaz says the government will be taking steps to address complaints of continuous estimated bills for electricity. The use of the Electricity Disaster Fund will also be reviewed.
There is a task force coming out of a meeting on Tuesday between the Minister of Finance, the Ministry of Finance, the JPS and the MSET Energy team, which is going to now do a deep dive into what else can be done to cushion the effects of electricity bills and inflation on the Jamaican people.
The government has announced that the GCT on electricity will be reduced from 15% to 7% after the March 2025 budget. To the foreign exchange market now, banks and cambios were selling the U.S. currency for $157.26. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.39. $201.92 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $168.20. Now on the stock market, the JSE index advanced by 5,334 points, while the junior market index declined by 10 points. Shares in Wigton Energy were most widely traded for 23% of total volume. Among the 47 winners were A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Barita Investments, Cygnus Credit Investments, 8.5% shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Berger Paints. The 4-1 losers included KLE Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Cargo Handlers, Paramount Trading, and Innovative Energy Group. 21 stocks traded firm. Now after the break, we'll have the international stories and the bite of the week.